What's up guys, this is Sean Heather and right now I'm taking this video from the front facing camera of Xiaomi 14 that comes with 32 megapixel front facing camera capable of recording 4K resolution videos up to 60 FPS. For the front facing video recording, we got the teleprompter as well as the frontal sound recording that uses the front microphone to capture the sound of the subject clearly. The front facing video recording also comes with beautification, but then it reduces the video resolution to 1080p at 30 FPS only. You can record time-lapse videos at 4K resolution with 30 FPS, and there is slow motion video recording available for HD resolution at 120 FPS. And for photos, we got the HDR, night mode, panorama, and the portrait mode that is a combination of the bokeh effect as well as the beautification. So right now I'm just trying to give you an idea that if you are going to use the Xiaomi 14's front-facing camera for taking videos, pictures, or just for the video calling, then how good or bad it will be in terms of quality. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a like, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.